Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another haul from Sephora. So I did already upload my video, but the last day of the sale, it always happens. I went to Sephora and I went on the app and I ordered some more stuff. Well, just show you quickly what I got. It's a mini haul, but I just wanted to share them with you. I want you guys to know what I got. So let's start with this. Everybody was talking about this powder, so I decided to get it. I'm wearing it today. I did film this look using my new stuff, so I hope you guys enjoy. I will upload that soon. So I decided to get this Air Set Radiant Loose Setting Powder from Say, and this is the shade Translucent. They have 3 shades, so this is the first lightest one, and this is what it looks like. And today is my first time wearing it, so I can't really speak and say anything about this powder, but it did set my foundation beautifully, and it's just undetectable on the skin, I should say. Only 4 grams in this powder. Can't remember how much it was. I think it was $39, but I decided to get it because the reviews were amazing. It does have some shimmers in it, you can see it, but actually when you apply it on your face, the shimmers just disappear. I don't know where they go. I don't know if they just blend in into your skin. So I decided to get this one. This is the Lawless Glam Guard Long Wear Setting Spray, and this is what the package looked like. I think you get it's 50 ml, which is 1.7 ounces, and this is the setting spray. It's very fine mist. It has a little ball there, so you shake it really well. People were saying that this is better than the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. I do have a small size of this because I got it during the sale. They didn't have the full size, so I decided to grab this. But people are saying if you use this, you will never go back to the Charlotte Tilbury one. So I'm really excited. I did use it today as well. So far so good. I feel like this is less sticky than the Charlotte Tilbury one, so I'm really excited to see if this is really better. And next I got 2 of the Too Faced. This is called the Peach Bloom Color Blossoming Lip and Cheek Tint. These were already reduced in price when I went to pick them up. I actually just saw them. I swatched them in store and I was like, oh, I like that. This is these are in the shade Peach Glow and Strawberry Glow. They didn't have good rating, like reviews on Sephora's website, but I really like the idea of these. I think it's just a bulky packaging. It's a big doe foot applicator, but it's like an oil tint kind of product. You can use it on your cheeks and on your lips as well. I really liked it on my cheek the other day. I used it on my lips as well. I think you just have to make sure because it's more like an oily, balmy kind of texture. So just make sure that you don't put it on top of powder because it will lift your foundation. But I did use it when I was doing my cream products and I really liked it. The tint on the lips is just very nice. So the pink one is the strawberry one and then the peach glow at the bottom. So I will leave them on my hand and I will show you how they stay in my hand. I really like them. And the other thing I wanted to get, so I watched a TikTok video. How did I just not think about this trick? This is the Hollywood Flawless Filter. I do have this in the shade number 3, which I use it all over my face as a primer or as a glowy base before my foundation. But this one I got in the shade 6.5 Deep, and this lady was using it as a bronzer. And I was like, oh, that's really interesting. And it is wonderful, you guys. So as soon as I got it, I actually applied my foundation quickly and I put this on and I was like, oh my goodness. Like this is so pretty. Just got the mini size, $20. I didn't want to get like a full size because I don't know if I was gonna love it. In my head, I thought this is gonna be so glowy because it's a glowy base, but I don't know this shade in particular. So this is the color here, and then when you blend it, it's just the most wonderful bronzy shade, and I don't see the glowiness in this color. Like it's not the same as my number 3. Like, you know, there's a glowiness to it, but it's not as glowy as the lightest shades. Just me, I don't know, but this, I tried it on and my skin was so pretty and I really liked it as a bronzer. So I went again to Sephora and I picked up more of the Tarte Maracuja Juicy Lip Plump, and I got the shade White Peach and Peachy Beige. Unfortunately, I took White Peach back because there was a mechanism problem with the lipstick clicking. It was not clicking, the product was not coming out, so I decided to take it back to exchange it, but unfortunately they were sold out, so I decided to keep this, which is Peachy Beige. So I'm just gonna try this on. I don't know how it looks. I haven't tried them yet. Oh, this is so pretty. I like juicy lips. Like they look so nice. Online, Sephora had this new toner. It was brand new that launched, I think, the last day of the sale. Can't remember which day it was, but I think it was the 11th. So I got this Ultra Glow Toner, Brighten and Tone. This has vitamin C and E. I love toners, and especially if they make me glowy, I'm really all about that. So I decided to grab it. I will let you guys know how it works for me because I haven't tried it yet. It's brand new. And the last thing I picked up, it's in my bathroom. I'm not going upstairs to get it, but I got the Moroccan Oil Repair Kit, which is the shampoo and conditioner together. I think they have like about 500 ml in each, so I got that and I really enjoy it. It smells delicious. I love the Moroccan Oil brand smell. Like the scent is just like my favorite. I think this is all I got from Sephora, my last haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and stay tuned for this look because I use so many new stuff. Please subscribe before you leave and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.